Hey, good morning everybody. This is Bobby Nichols from SERVPRO. I'm going to take a quick couple minutes to tell you guys what we're doing out in communities. Please like, share, tag, do whatever that does to get it out to the community so they know what we're doing. First, we're out there, we're wearing our protective equipment, right? PPEs, everybody's talking about PPEs. We've got what we need to protect ourselves while we're out killing this virus, right? Saving the day. You know, I've got a lot of people that are out there doing what they need to do. We're using EPA registered disinfectants, hospital grade, right? Specifically meant to kill coronaviruses, things like H1N1, bird flu, all of them. We've got all of our regular cleaning products, towels and buckets and all that stuff. And then we've got foggers to disperse these products in larger places, factories, schools, some of the larger buildings where you physically can't touch all things at one time. These foggers help disperse our products on a large scale basis. Please, if you have any questions about what we do, how we can help you, your business, your town, we're out there every day just like everybody else, essentials, doing what we got to do to help knock this thing out. Be well, be safe.